Hi, welcome to mywealth.com. I'm Bob O'Brien. I'm one of the senior instructors with the courses. And today's blog is Prepare to Prepare. I want to talk about, when you sit down to do your taxes, you really want to make certain that you are ready to do taxes. It's obviously not like, just searching something on the internet that you might do from time to time or sitting down to watch a TV show. It's a lot different. So you really want to prepare yourself to prepare yourself for your taxes. Set some time aside, make sure that the TV is off, the kids are, someone's watching the kids or whatever the case may be. Because what's really most important is that you really want to make it a learning experience, to plan ahead. A lot of the programs will do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. So you want to make certain that you're seeing different things and seeing some opportunities in there where you can perhaps save some money on taxes down the road. So another good thing to do is take good notes. Make certain that, any questions that you have, of course, anything that relates to this year, you want to take good notes. And when you come back, usually it takes you two sittings to do your return. So take good notes and make certain you have those notes. But then also have another set of notes for just things that you want to learn. After the tax return is done, things that you want to dive into more to see how that works. So take some notes there and do some research later on. You can do that through our courses. Take our courses and you'll be able to ask me anything. Let the computer do most of the heavy lifting. You don't need to know every nuance, every in and out, or whatever the case may be. If you're having problems with the program, there's probably a rule there that you're not picking up, because most of the programs are pretty good, depending upon which ones you use. Most of them are pretty good, and it's probably just trying to teach you something. So let it do that. Step back, take a look at the bigger picture, and this way it'll be a lot smoother for you, and look for something to learn there as opposed to just getting frustrated, which even I do sometimes when I'm learning something new. So don't worry about that. Do some common sense checks, especially once the return is done. Take a look at it. Make sure your withholding all adds up. Your salary isn't something way normal than it should be. So, after you're done and the return is prepared, look at it. Make certain that it makes sense. And of course, using last year's return as part of the preparation beforehand and then afterwards, making sure that you didn't deduct something last year that you should be able to deduct this year. Really make the most of last year's return and referring to that. And I think, don't worry, be happy. I think a lot of people do get stressed out about their taxes, and as long as you're acting in good faith, if you make a mistake, you make a mistake. I mean, people make mistakes on their taxes. It's not the end of the world. Worst case scenario is you have to pay what you would have owed anyway and some interest. And you remember, your tax return is never really finalized until 3 years go by. You can be questioned on something 2 years after the fact. So, keeping your returns and make certain that you have a good file. Thanks for being with me today on this President's Day. My name is Bob O'Brien. I'm one of the senior instructors here with the courses. Make sure you check out our courses. You'll get a lot more tax information from me, asking about strategies and so forth. So you definitely want to do that. Just $25, run a special 20% off through April 15th. So definitely do that as well so you become a better planner. Have a great day.